orthoboric acid. Its formula is H3BO3 or BOH thrice. It is a white crystalline solid and soapy touch. Okay. Next, it is sparingly soluble in water but highly soluble in hot water. Sparingly soluble in normal water, okay, but highly soluble in hot water. Next, preparation. How can we prepare orthoboric acid? It can be prepared by acidifying aqueous solution of borax. Borax is Na2B4O7. On acidifying its aqueous solution to HCl plus 5H2O. Okay. Acidifying aqueous solution of borax, we can obtain orthoboric acid. The product obtained is 2NaCl plus BOH thrice. Okay. BOH thrice is orthoboric acid. Okay. So, we can obtain orthoboric acid from borax. Okay. Next, structure of orthoboric acid. This is the structure. Okay. And each BOH3 units are attached through hydrogen bonding to another BOH3 unit. And here boron is sp2 hybridized. And boric acid has a planar layer structure. The structure is planar layer structure. Just planar layer structure. Okay. And in which different planar BO3 units are attached by hydrogen bond or joined by hydrogen bonds. Okay. Each BO3 units are joined by hydrogen bonds. Okay. So, each BO3 planar units are joined by hydrogen bonds and orthoboric acid has a planar layer structure. Okay. And each BOH thrice, each BOH orthoboric acid is attached to another unit of orthoboric acid through hydrogen bonding. These dotted lines represents the hydrogen bonding. Okay. Next, what about its acidic character? Orthoboric acid is weak monobasic acid. Okay. It is weak monobasic acid. Unlike other acids, it does not act as a proton donor. Okay. It does not act as a proton donor, but they are Lewis acids by accepting OH minus ions. Okay. By accepting OH minus ions or hydroxyl ions. And BOH thrice, this is orthoboric acid. This orthoboric acid accepts one OH minus ion from H2O and form BOH 4 times minus plus H plus. So, like this, by accepting OH minus ions, it acts as a Lewis acid. So it is a weak monobasic acid. Unlike other acid, it does not act as a proton donor because the formula is BOH thrice. It cannot release H plus ions or cannot donate proton. Okay. Next, orthoboric acid on heating, what happens? When heated above 370 Kelvin, what happens? It loses water partially and form metaboric acid. Again heating, what happens? Finally, it forms boric oxide. Okay, so H3BO3 on heating above 370 Kelvin, water molecule is removed and form HBO2. HBO2 is metaboric acid. So metaboric acid is obtained. This metaboric acid, further heating, it gets converted into boric oxide. This is boric oxide. B2O3 is obtained. Okay. So these are the properties of orthoboric acid. There is a question. Orthoboric acid is a weak acid. Why? It's a weak acid. Why? So, orthoboric acid is BOH thrice. So, from here it cannot release H plus ion, but it can accept OH minus ion to complete its octet and form BOH 4 times minus and H plus ion is released. Okay, so in this case it can receives only OH minus ion, but it cannot acts as a proton donor. So orthoboric acid is a weak acid. Okay.